I am about to explain intensively about the creation of Earth and the universe. So listen attentively so you won't miss a line of my explanation. Ever since I was a kid, I, my friends, my siblings, we all thought that the Earth was spherical in shape, aka round Earth in shape. I grew up knowing that the Earth was round, but now the truth has been revealed. Ladies and gentlemen, come with me to the Bible to understand more essentially how the earth was formed. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1 to 2 and verse 6 to 10, King James Version. Verse 1, in the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. Verse 2, and the earth was without form and void, and darkness was upon the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters. Verse 6, and God said, let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters, and let it divide the waters from the waters. Verse 7, and God made the firmament and divided the waters which were under the firmament from the waters which were above the firmament, and it was so. Verse 8a, and God called the firmament heaven. Verse 9, and God said, let the waters under the heaven be gathered unto one place, and let the dry land appear, and it was so. Verse 10, and God called the dry land earth, and the gathering together of the waters he called sea, and God saw that it was good. There are 4 points to help you understand more about the shape of earth. 1. Genesis chapter 1 verse 1 to 2 and 6 to 10. 2. The firmaments and rockets. 3. There is nothing like space and 9 planets. And 4. The Antarctica ice wall. Now let's talk about point 1. Genesis chapter 1 1 to 2 and 6 to 10. You see, the earth was without form, and there were darkness everywhere, and the Spirit of God was upon the face of the water. And God said, let there be a firmament in the midst of the waters. And he divided the waters under the firmament from the waters above the firmament. And then God created the earth under the firmament. The firmament was serving as a dome protecting the earth from the water above. And God said, let the water under the firmament be gathered unto one place, and let the dry land appear, and it was called earth. And the gathering together of the water he called ocean, sea, lake, river, and the rest of them. The whole earth and the firmament is suspended in water. Even the sun, the moon, and the stars are all under the firmament. You see, this was how earth was created by God. Point 2. The firmament and rockets. Back in the days in Babylon, the Babylonians tried to build a skyscraper so high that they would be able to reach the sight of God, and then God destroyed the skyscraper and make them speak in different languages in order for them not to understand each other. And that was how people began to speak different languages. And up to today, man knows that he cannot build a skyscraper so high to the sight of God. So instead, they build rockets. Rockets to be able to disintegrate the firmament. Rockets to be able to destroy the firmament. They want to go beyond the firmament, but it is impossible. The satellite for GPS and internet system is installed up in the sky in the firmament. These people actually go in water, call it space. According to research, 70% of the ocean has not been explored. It is endless and bottomless. Remember, the whole earth and the firmament is suspended in water. The water above the firmament and the water below the earth is endless and bottomless. Follow me for more and stay tuned for the explanation of point 3 and 4 in order for you to understand more of the creation of the earth and the universe.